Hello, hi. My name is Aam Anusorn Soi Sangim. Welcome you guys here to my first YouTube live. I'm gonna take you to read all the comment. This is from my drama list page. This is all my work that I have done and still haven't done. This person give me 7.5 story, 7.5 acting A. Rewatch value 5. First of all, let me tell you this, I'm very grateful on every comment. Please review as fast as you can. If you hate it, review it. You can say you hate it. One person give an A. Let's go to the comment. Thought it was slow and nothing much happened in almost 2 hours, but I like it. Oh, I thought you hate it. But let's go to Tumuntu. Oh, Pana. I miss Benjamin. Guy probably the hottest cat in any BL. 9. Fourth and Beam Superi in this series just came back after watch their scene in chemistry still hit that rate. You know, it's like when you guys watch away, look for the actor. But I just want to mention that people behind the scene, they work really hard too, especially me. Finished watching the series only for side couple. The main couple just looks stiff and awkward. I agree. So I put off watching Tumuntu because I was hardcore loyal to the original one. But I must say I enjoy watching it. Okay, thank you. I like all the couple Mink is gorgeous. So this is a remake of the show. I watched not season 2. How come they remade? Tumuntu is not a sequel, guys. 3-word remake 2 Moons, but also okay, waiting for 2 Moon 3. You waiting for 2 Moon 3? Gonna have any comment. Pavel Dome was only the reason I finished this. This one was better than the first season in terms of acting and production. Of course, acting for sure. The writing was a lot better for the side couple. Of course, this is probably one of the most okay BL show I ever watched. I have no other words to describe it other than okay. Okay. I'm confused the ending. Will the storyline continue? I already have the storyline to Moon 2 actually. Present Superfake is the film that I was planning to make, but I don't think people gonna accept my ending because you know it's the thing that kind of impossible things. But by the demand of the fans and everyone, and I was like, okay, I'll make it. Fans are really pushing me like, you need to make the sequel. You need to make the sequel one. And I was like, okay, I'll make it one. 8.0. Okay. 10. Crazy, sexy, cool Paul. Thank you so much. You give me 10. The movie was much better than expect. I feel connected to their acting in part 1, but this one was better. Is natural and talent actor. They had good chemistry, but their love scene look empty. Still worth to watch. Look empty. You know what? The sex scene for Person Super Fake, the base was breaking. That scene there very hard. 7.7 too low for the rating for this movie. Agree. It should have 10. Just kidding. 7.7 is reason enough. Let's go to the next theme. Call it what you want. 7.2. Oh my god, that is very controversial one. You know, call it what you want is something very personal for me. I was writing this series because I feel like I need to show the fan to know that BL behind the scenes is not that pretty all the time. Sometimes it's kind of dark and really scary too. So the first Call Watch One got only 7.2. 7.5. A Thai BL that wasn't problematic. Oh, thank you. Michael acting was phenomenal. Yes, he was very good. Short series, just don't let the car scene. You know what? The green screen was so bad, guys. I'm sorry about that. Complain whatever you want. Wow, Michael playing Buzz is awesome job. T was a jerk. Definitely underrated. The beginning was a little weird, but it's quickly get better. I should honestly on Buzz. My review 3.5 out of 10. They get the 3 from Buzz story. Without it would have 0 rating. Too bad they missed their chance to really have a good series too cheesy, boring, and just plain bad. This series could have done without Jamin as a main character. Why? But I accept that. Lots of his image of his character. You know, people cannot be major all the time. Sometimes people can do stupid things. You know, I do stupid things all the time. Definitely. I like it a lot more than I thought I would. So I cannot imagine how many actors this has happened to. Guys, don't let me expose about this. This industry changed people a lot. Changed myself too. I used to be a very bitch person, but now I'm just quiet like a kitty cat. Should I say this or not? I think I should not. No, I don't want to get drama. Okay, the first is 6. I have many issues this season. I don't even know where to start. I am the only one who can tolerate with Bas Marco and couldn't really care less about it, James. Don't get me wrong. Why? Nobody care about it, James. Not baby fit. Like the only problem with Marco is that even after he and Bas hooked up in season 1, Marco was still in unrequited love with James. He just want to release himself, I guess. Maybe it's just me, but I'm glad Marco stepped it up and realized Bas is his true partner. No one perfect in my series.
None of character is perfect. If you see, it just
Stupid thing they are not right many times. So this was a wake-up call for BL fan. Absolutely love the series. I think Bas is actually a good guy. So that's all the comment that I want to read. And thank you for all comment. Even though you hate my film or you like it, just please comment, sharing, and tell everyone about this. I mean, it's gonna be support independent filmmaker like me, gonna support actor, lots of people who behind the scene, like I gonna update about my future project Till the World Ends, which is right now people were like, where the hell is Till the World Ends? Why I'm doing promote or anything or whatever thing, Till the World Ends is fine, it's right now it's on the process of making. It would be nice if you guys can wait a little bit more. I think it's gonna be fun to watch because Till the World Ends is completely very different than other BL series that I have been seeing. It's different, it's like totally different. You cannot bet anything. It's just something that very beyond your imagination. Even myself, I still not believe I created Till the World Ends. I was like, that's crazy. 13 days the world is gonna end and the group of people live together before the world ending. So it's 5 of them. Each character have their goal before the world ending. Some of them want to know what love really means. Some of them want to find a way back home. Some of them want to kill someone. It's like each character have different goal and it's just gonna be like roller coaster of emotion. It's gonna be very, very romantic as well. It's gonna warm your heart. I think you guys gonna hate me so much when you watch this series. So you have to prepare, I'm warning you. And after that, I'm gonna release the book. And if you guys want to shop, you can go shopping on my website. And if you want to watch the movie, they have like a hamburger here. You click here and it take you to home, about us, news, watch our project, shopping, me, Aam Anusorn, support, submission. So if you go to about us, it's basically gonna take you to what is Commetive, story about Commetive and stuff like that. And if you go to watch our project, for like if you want to watch what you want, you just say watch now. And if you click watch now, it's gonna take you to watch on the right platforms. If you want to watch one season 1, you can just click watch now and then it's gonna take you to watch one season 1. It's very simple. I make it as simple as possible for people to use my website. If you go to shopping, we're gonna have like many sections. The first one is for BL fans, just special item, keep calm and watch BL t-shirt, the book, probably what you want, item, t-shirt, book, and even the photo ebook or the hood, the digital product. You want to buy something, you just click on the picture and then it's gonna take you to the website. Yeah, all the t-shirt and really, really cool stuff like that. Support independent filmmaker like me. It's commetive.com, okay? And if you go to support, I would love you guys to go to this section a lot because it's gonna take you to just support me, just donate now. Put whatever amount you can. And submission. So the thing is, if you guys have a really cool idea, submit to us. If your story interesting to us, I might be interested working with you. That's cool. So please keep supporting me, okay? I'm just independent filmmaker and I'm all alone for the whole time. You have no idea how hard I'm working. You have no idea. You just have no idea. But I'm proud of myself every single day I try to be positive. I know some of you guys out there cannot wait for To The World Ends to come out, cannot wait to The World Ends to finish shooting. I guarantee you I'm gonna completely finish shooting To The World End and you guys can be able to watch it for sure. Don't worry about that. You know, change the way you push me to encourage the team, encourage the actor. That would be help us a lot. Sometimes you guys like, I'm not gonna support project anymore. I'm gonna support my actor. That's hurt and that's confusing too. I was like, you support your actor and you watch my series, which means you support me or not. But anyway, just be positive, guys. You know, like we need encouragement, we need support. You don't have to send us money or anything. But if you can, that would be awesome. Just send me support, send us support, send us a lot of love, you know, it's helped a lot. Like me, I work really hard. Those platforms out there, those people who have power, still bullying me, stop. I just want to say stop, please. I mean, come on, guys, you rich, I'm poor as if, and you do you. I do what I want to do, you know. You don't assume that my artwork is under your copyright. It's not under your copyright. It's under my copyright since the beginning that I work as an independent filmmaker. I'm suffering from a big people who just abuse me, harass me, or took me down, try to make me didn't see the value of my life. That's me. Just leave me alone. Please, I'm begging you. But anyway, right now I'm so grateful that all my artwork come back to me. Yeah, it's always my artwork because I created, right? But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a lot of encouragement. I love you. Good night. Good night.